Are you curious about the future of artificial intelligence? Ever wondered how machines understand and process our language? Meet the latest breakthrough from Meta, Large Concept Models, LCMs. What makes LCMs different from the traditional language models we know? Let's explore how these innovative models are setting the stage for a smarter and more intuitive AI era. Understanding LLMs and their limitations. Large language models, or LLMs, are like smart robots that help computers understand and use human language. They work by guessing what word comes next in a sentence, much like when you're typing a text and your phone suggests words. This process is called tokenization. Imagine tokenization as breaking down everything we say into tiny pieces, like cutting up a sentence into individual words, or even parts of words. While LLMs are pretty smart, they're not perfect. They can solve complicated math problems, but sometimes stumble over simple questions. For example, if you ask, how many R's are in strawberry? The answer should be 3, but an LLM might get it wrong. This happens because LLMs see strawberry as just one big piece, not as a word with individual letters. This kind of mistake shows one of the big limitations of LLMs. They don't really understand context or the deeper meaning behind words. They just see words as tokens without grasping what they truly mean. Because of this, some AI researchers think we need to move beyond tokenization. They believe that in the future, we won't use tokenization anymore because it doesn't work like the human brain does. Humans don't think in tokens. We think in ideas and concepts. When we plan something complicated, like a presentation or a long document, we start with the big ideas and fill in the details later. LLMs, however, are stuck at the word level, which can lead them to miss important reasoning steps and make mistakes in understanding or creating coherent texts. Understanding these limitations is crucial as we move forward in AI technology. It's all about making machines think more like humans, with the ability to understand bigger concepts and reason through problems more effectively. This is where large concept models, or LCMs, come into play, offering a new way to help machines understand and interact with the world. Introduction to Large Concept Models, LCMs. Imagine a new kind of robot that doesn't just listen to words, but understands ideas and concepts just like we do. These are called Large Concept Models, or LCMS, and they're a big step forward in the world of artificial intelligence, introduced by the tech giant Meta. Unlike traditional large language models, LLMs, that focus on predicting the next word in a sentence, LCMs work on predicting the next concept. This means they think about whole ideas or actions instead of just single words. For instance, instead of just hearing apple, they understand the concept of eating an apple as a healthy snack. LCMs are designed to mimic how humans think and plan. When we tackle a complex task, like writing a report or planning a trip, we don't think about each word one by one. Instead, we organize our thoughts around big ideas and then fill in the details as we go. LCMs aim to do the same thing, which allows them to understand and generate information that feels more natural and is more useful. The magic behind LCMS lies in their structure. They have 3 main parts: a concept encoder, a large concept model, and a concept decoder. The concept encoder translates words into concepts. The large concept model processes these concepts, and the concept decoder turns them back into words or sentences. This process helps LCMs understand and communicate in a way that's much closer to how we speak and think. With LCMs, computers can become better at helping us solve problems, answer questions, and even hold conversations that make sense. They represent a significant shift in AI development, focusing on deeper understanding rather than just words. This approach could revolutionize how machines assist us at home, at work, and beyond, making technology even more intuitive and helpful. Technical breakdown of large concept models, LCMs. Large concept models, LCMs, are a new type of technology that helps computers understand big ideas instead of just words. Let's break down how they work using simple terms. Concept encoder. The first part of an LCM is the concept encoder. Think of it like a translator that turns regular words from a story or conversation into bigger ideas or concepts. For example, if you talk about playing soccer with friends, the encoder turns this into a concept like team sports or playing games. Large concept model. In the middle of the LCM system, there's the large concept model itself. This part doesn't deal with words at all. Instead, it works with the concepts that the encoder translated. It thinks about these ideas, sorts them out, and figures out how they connect to each other. This is like how we organize our thoughts when we are planning something big, like a party or a project. Concept decoder. Finally, there's the concept decoder. After the large concept model has processed all the ideas, the decoder translates these concepts back into words that we can understand. This is similar to explaining a thought or idea you've planned in your head into spoken or written words to share with someone else. This whole process helps the LCM to understand and generate responses that are much more like how a human would talk or think about a topic. It's not just looking at words one by one, but seeing the bigger picture. This allows LCMs to handle more complex tasks and have conversations that make more sense and are more relevant to the context. By working with concepts instead of just words, LCMs aim to bridge the gap between human communication and machine understanding. Advantages of large concept models. LCMs over LLMs. LCMs are designed to understand and process concepts, not just words. This means they can grasp the overall meaning of a conversation or text better than LLMs. For example, if you talk about a birthday party, LCMs can understand the concept of celebration, joy, and gathering, rather than just focusing on the individual words like birthday and party. Improved coherence and relevance. Because LCMs operate on higher-level ideas, they generate responses and texts that are more coherent and contextually relevant. This leads to conversations and written outputs that flow more naturally, similar to how a human would speak or write. This is particularly useful in applications like chatbots or virtual assistants, where maintaining a logical and engaging conversation is essential. Less repetition. One common issue with LLMs is their tendency to repeat the same words or phrases. LCMs, by focusing on concepts, are better at avoiding this problem. They keep the discussion moving forward by introducing new, related ideas instead of circling back to the same points. Adaptability to different languages. Since LCMs understand and work with concepts that are universal, they can easily adapt to multiple languages without needing extensive retraining for each new language. This makes LCMs versatile and useful in global applications, helping businesses and services reach a wider audience. Handling complex tasks with layered thinking. LCMs mimic human thought processes more closely than LLMs by considering multiple layers of abstraction. They can plan and reason through complex scenarios in a way that is more aligned with human cognitive processes, which is beneficial for tasks that require strategic thinking and planning. Overall, LCMs represent a significant advancement in the field of artificial intelligence by providing a deeper and more intuitive understanding of language. This makes them suitable for a wide range of applications where accuracy, efficiency, and human-like interaction are crucial. Implications and future of AI models. The development of large concept models, LCMs, is set to revolutionize how artificial intelligence, AI, understands and interacts with us. This advancement has important implications and paints an exciting future for AI models. Better AI assistants. Imagine virtual assistants in your home or on your phone that not only respond to your commands, but truly understand what you need and why. With LCMs, AI can manage more complex requests, understand deeper meanings, and offer more helpful, context-aware responses. This could make daily interactions with AI much smoother and more intuitive. Enhanced educational tools. In education, LCMs could power tools that adapt to students' learning styles and needs. These AI models could provide explanations and learning material that are tailored to the concept a student is struggling with, making learning more effective and personalized. Improvements in accessibility. For those with disabilities, LCMS could lead to more effective communication aids. By better understanding concepts, AI could help translate complex thoughts into clear communication for people with speech or language impairments, enhancing their ability to interact. Multilingual capabilities. Since LCMs understand concepts that can be universally applied, they have the potential to break language barriers more efficiently. AI models could offer real-time, accurate translation services that go beyond words to convey the true essence of conversations. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.